Hello and welcome to Zenthusiast Journey, where we're all about embracing life's adventures while maintaining a balanced and serene mindset. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Now, let's get started. Today, let's explore something that has become a significant part of many of our lives: anxiety. It's an issue that affects millions of people from every walk of life. Although our discussion should never replace professional medical advice, hopefully these tips can be of some value. So let's discuss 5 techniques you can incorporate into your routine to help manage and maybe even lessen the impact of anxiety. Remember, these are not instantaneous fixes. They require consistent practice, and with time, hopefully you'll notice their positive effects. First up, mindfulness and meditation. Now, this isn't about achieving a state of perfect peace or becoming a Zen master. It's learning to be present in the here and now, letting your thoughts and feelings pass without judgment. Research has shown that regular practice of mindfulness meditation can actually change the neural pathways in our brains and help us respond to stress better. Start with just a few minutes each day. Sit comfortably, focus on your breath, and when your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. It's simple, but not easy. So be patient with yourself. With practice, you will learn to quiet your mind. Moving on to our second technique, regular exercise. Now, this doesn't mean you need to run a marathon or hit the gym for hours a day. Even light activities like walking, yoga, or dancing to your favorite tunes can make a huge difference. Exercise increases the production of endorphins, your body's natural mood lifters, and can also act as a natural distraction from anxious thoughts. Technique number 3 is a healthy diet. The connection between mind and body is undeniable, and what you feed your body can significantly impact your anxiety levels. Try to maintain a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Limit caffeine and alcohol, which can trigger and amplify feelings of anxiety and panic. Next up is technique number 4, adequate sleep. Lack of quality sleep can contribute to anxiety, and it's often a vicious cycle with each influencing the other. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a sleep routine, limit screen time before bed, and create a quiet, dark, and cool environment to help you fall asleep and stay asleep. Finally, technique 5, strengthening social connections. We are social creatures, and feeling connected to others plays an essential role in our mental health. Whether it's face-to-face meetups, phone calls, or online interactions, make sure to dedicate time to nurture your relationships. Share your thoughts and feelings with trusted friends or family members, and offer your support when they need it. This exchange can help reduce feelings of isolation and anxiety. Now I'd like to share a bonus technique with you: acupuncture. This traditional Chinese medicine has been practiced for centuries and has gained recognition in modern healthcare for its potential benefits on various conditions, including anxiety. Acupuncture aims to balance the body's energy flow, or qi, by stimulating certain points on the body with thin needles. Studies suggest that acupuncture may help reduce anxiety by influencing the nervous system, releasing endorphins, and regulating the brain's mood chemicals. If you're interested in trying acupuncture, I recommend seeking a certified acupuncturist, and of course, discussing it with your healthcare provider. Remember, what works for one person might not work for another. It's all about finding what works best for you. I know this might seem like a lot to take in, but remember, it's not about doing everything perfectly right away. It's about taking small, consistent steps towards a healthier, more balanced life. Start by incorporating one technique, and as it becomes a part of your routine, gradually introduce the others. Dealing with anxiety isn't easy, but remember, you're not alone. We all face challenges and have moments of anxiety, and it's okay. It's part of being human. Be gentle with yourself. Celebrate each small victory, each moment when you choose to apply these techniques in the face of anxiety. That's bravery. That's resilience. That's growth. So let's journey on together as we strive for balance, peace, and personal growth. Remember, check in with your healthcare provider regularly. You're not alone in this journey, and professional help is always available. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other techniques that work for you, please share them in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our next adventure. Until then, stay zenthused.